Hi guys, today we're going to be cooking a Thermomix recipe out of the basic cookbook called Thai chili chicken. Although our version is going to be Thai chili not chicken. Thanks for watching. With school holidays around the corner, we have a bunch of camping recipes coming up. Hit the subscribe to be notified as soon as they drop.
Don't forget to hit the like button.